Hi, I'm Matt from REAX, and this is the Skylotec A-028 Milan rescue device found at the top of wind turbines up and down the UK, and normally in one of these Altrans aluminium boxes. But at REAX, we have a higher fleet of Milans that can be found in a seal pack right to go. Its great design makes it like a rucksack, so you can take it to any situation, making your Milan portable and easy to use. Why would you use one of these? Well, maybe your Milan is being serviced and you just want a unit for a week or two while that service is being conducted, or you get a last minute job and you don't want to go to the expense of buying a Milan outright. You could hire it from us. We hire from a week at a time and you can have it for as long as you wish. We have a great deal of rope lengths and the kit can be bespoke to you and your needs. For more details about how the Milan is used in action, follow the link behind me here. But to hire one of these great units, call us now on 01253 767 775.